Okay, we have a Wells Index vertical milling machine, model 847, serial number 21426. Machine was new in 1982. We're gonna run her for you. Machine has an R8 spindle. Right now he's running, he's feeding the head down or spindle down. You have a R8 spindle from 50 to variable speed from 50 to 4,200 RPM. The spindle is nice and quiet. Yep. All right. We have a 2-axis ANILAM digital readout. We have a new power feed on the table. Great. It's moving the cross travel. Nice and smooth. And then just move the knee up and down. Okay. Yep. All axes are nice and smooth. Again, you have a 9x46 table with 32 inches of X, 12 of Y, 5-inch quill, and the knee up and down is 16. Hey, thank you for watching our video.